Ilagas pan.
Up. Loy, ambi sa tungo sa silhig, Loy, de. Sa to silhig, Loy.
Hala.
O pa, nag-anak na yung baboy?
Nanganak ito.
Karon pa, nahuman? Karon sa ara nag-anak?
How old is one lag? How old?
1, 2,
2 months?
dili.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Oh, big na ha? Wow. Ang iya kadagang pa ito na isa yan. Wow. Kailangan da ibig sa ano. Very mahinsig lang. Very healthy.
Ha?
Very healthy pig. This is the mother here. The mother eat a lot.
Sige, naglag-lag ka deh.
That calico cat on the left there is, I think it's blind in the left eye. I think it happened when these two cats were kittens, and you know, kittens play fighting, and I remember that the cat one time had a problem with its left eye, and now it's either blind or impaired visually. And this other one here, he's the boss around here, the cat boss. There are other cats around here that they you know, have territorial disputes with. And my dill isn't doing so well. I think it needs fertilizer or something. Not really sure what it needs. It's not doing so well. Now, this is my oregano, and I've kind of neglected this oregano, but it's still hanging in there. And I haven't really watered it much or even paid much attention to it, but it's doing okay. I'm kind of surprised, I really am. But there's more. There's some of it down here on the ground below that pot that's seeded itself, and looks like it's gonna grow. Looks like it's gonna grow here. And this whole area previously had a lot of other stuff, but my wife dug it up, and so now it's gone. But she planted it. She planted that other stuff up at her farm, so it's probably still up there. Looks like they moved the goats. Don't know where they moved them to, but they're not here anymore. The goats are gone. And I don't know this guy, but he's been working around here for a while. So he's cleaning things up. I'm not sure what the deal is. Oh wait, I see the goats. The goats are just out in this other area. They're not in their pen right now, but they're over there eating vegetation. It's Gabriel's roosters, or his chickens anyway. Yeah, I guess that's a rooster. And these are fighting cocks, and one of these days I'm going to do a video about them. You know, he's actually very surprised that cockfighting is illegal in most places, but it's been illegal in the United States since 2003. The last state that allowed it was Louisiana, and now it's illegal. And he says it'll never be illegal in the Philippines, but I'm not too sure about that. One of these days it could well be illegal even in the Philippines, even though it's part of the culture here.